If you would like to see more of our videos, please subscribe and hit the bell to be notified. You guys, we were so excited to partner with Scribbles That Matter to make this video because earlier this year, they released their B5 bullet planners. And when I saw their announcement, I think it was around March, I knew I just had to have one. So I've been using my own B5 bullet planner since their release, so I have lots to share with you about these planners. So you can see that I have two planners. That's because when we partner with brands, we always make sure to think of our members. I mean, you guys are just so amazing, and you deserve to have a real unboxing experience also. So to be entered into our giveaways, go to our website, DIYcraftclub.com, and the contests are at the top of the homepage. Okay, let's talk about the packaging. The packaging is very high-end. It comes protected in a box so that when you are finished with the year, you can just keep it tucked away somewhere and it's always there safe and sound. I think you're going to really like the cover. It's made with waterproof synthetic leather and it has a really nice soft feel. And the elastic is very sturdy. I use mine to hold a smaller A5 planner that I use for all of the tutorial ideas that I have, and the elastic has been holding up excellent. Here's a look at the front cover and you can see the nice debossing accent there. And the pen loop is on the back and will hold one or even two pens and markers. And I keep two in mine and it's been holding up really well. And the stitching is very well done, as you can see, and the binding will allow the planner to lay perfectly flat, which I find very important. And then more engraved details are on the back. And you can just see that a lot of thought has gone into the choice of icons. So let's go inside. The first page is black, so this would be a really good spot to use for notes and doodles with your favorite gel pens or metallic markers. The paper is 100 GSM, so it has a really good thick quality. And it's a light ivory color, so it's very easy on the eyes. The first page is a key, and then the next pages are the printed yearly calendar spreads. So you have one previous year, current year, and then the next year. And as you can see, the dotted grid goes all the way around, so there is plenty of space for your extra notes. And that's everywhere throughout this book. And now you come to a progress tracker. So you can use this to see how your YouTube channel or blog subscribers are growing, or track personal things like weight loss or your spending habits, whatever you like. And then continuing on, it has a few pages of planning space. And I do wish there were more plain dotted pages because I used up all of my pages within the first couple of months. And there are a few more in the back, but I think for me, I would like even more. And now it gets exciting. This page is a lifesaver for me because I use this section for my work and house budgeting. And I write in all of the dates that I have bills coming out and what date I have to pay whatever bill. And I love the layout because this page gives you enough structure to plan and then also be creative with your own ideas. And they were thoughtful enough to put the dates right down the middle so that there's plenty of room to use it for both personal and work. And then the other side is a habit tracker, so there's lots of room here to track your daily habits or spending. And these pages go on for every month of the year. Then it comes to your weekly spreads, and this is going to take up the bulk of the bullet planner. The pages are not numbered, so you can decide how you want to organize them. And this section goes back and forth between the daily and weeklies. So if you need a lot of planning room, you got it all here. And then the weeks that I don't have a ton going on, I would take some washi tape and make little pockets to hold receipts and different project mood boards or whatever I was working on for that week. And this turned out to be one of the things that I can't live without now, because everything is tucked away for easy access, and this has really helped me get the clutter and bits of paper off of my desk. And then I just add a piece of washi so I know that there's something in there. Now we are in the back of the planner, and there's a few more full dotted pages. And like I mentioned before, I do wish there were more of these so that I don't run out so quickly. And now we come to a password page. And if you don't feel comfortable using this section for passwords, you can change it to your emergency contacts and phone numbers, or you can cover up the password section and just use this section for whatever planning you need. And then something that I really like is this mindfulness page. The other day I was going through with my morning coffee and I was reflecting on my year so far. And this page is going to be a nice summary to look back on and what my thoughts were for the year. The pen test page is super thoughtful and welcome because for those of us who have a bit of a pen and marker addiction, this is the place to test them out to make sure bleeding or ghosting isn't going to happen. At the back, you have more black paper and a large pocket. For extras, this planner comes with 3 bookmarks, and the pages are all labeled on the top right-hand corner. And throughout the book, it has positive affirmations and sayings, which adds a nice special touch. I hope you found this review helpful and that it helps you make an informed buying decision. To see more product reviews like this, please visit our website and don't forget to enter our contests. Till next time, have a productive day.